Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to merge to cell in Microsoft Publisher table. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show merge to cell table in Publisher. Now going to the firstly insert from table. Now click for insert option. Now select from table. Now select from row and columns. Now resize your table, then move from table. Now select from all table. Now going to the table tools design menu option, then click for border option. Now click for all border. That is, now you can see insert from table. Now we can say merge two cells in publisher table. Now select from any cell. Now going to the layout option, then click for merge cell option. That is, now you can see apply from merge to cell. Then again select from another cells. Now go to the layout option, then click for merge cell option. That is, we can see merge to cell in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.